In this video, let's look at how to make an inquiry on someone else's posts. In this case, we're going to go over to all posts and take a look and see what looks interesting. Let's do some browsing. You can see here that I can't make an inquiry on my own post because that would make no sense. But let's say I'm looking for someone who's willing to sell me some shares. This guy has 300 shares for sale at $50 a share. And it keeps scrolling. Okay, this person has 500 shares at a lower price of $44 per share. I'm going to make an inquiry. I hit this button and it opens up a messaging platform here. So I can say, sounds interesting. Are you open to selling at $43? Just because I'm trying to get a bargain here. I send a message, and then anonymous, whoever this is, I have no idea who they are, then they'll respond and they'll say, no, 43 won't work, or let's talk about 43. You can see here we are both anonymous. I'm messaging him anonymously. I can also pick a different post. Let's go back and let's find another sell person that we're looking to contact, or we can go to this person's looking to sell a few, and I can message as myself. So this is me messaging as myself to someone who is also not anonymous. So that's what it looks like to make an inquiry.